Okay, now the cycle is done on a dishwasher. So here, let's check it out. Open it up like that. That Penn Pilsner glass I just showed you before, look at that. There's not a spot on it. See? I'm serious, I just did these dishes. Just did them. They're all spotless. Look. Spotless. Okay? So that's with the vinegar, okay? Instead of this stuff, okay? Use this stuff. You'll save yourself so much money. You probably save yourself in 2 years in as much as the dishwasher itself cost. Now how about that? Alright, so there's your tip for today. And thanks for watching Pittsburgh Pat. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks. These guys have a good day now.